just making a little video on the KAOS high wind shades. As you can see, ignore the ping pong table in the front yard. There's no questions about that there. As you can see, when you first drop it down after it's been cold, I left this up for about 48 hours. And when you first drop it down, due to the keter system that is actually welded within the fabric that never lets go in high wind, you're gonna see some slight wrinkles here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this down here. It's around 78 degrees right now and sunny, and I'm gonna time it and just see how long it takes for that to fall out. So right back to you. It's been 10 minutes now, and we are dead flat. So again, 78 degrees out. The material has a very high memory, and so therefore when it's left down, it goes right back to its flat state, and the screen is flat from top to bottom and looks absolutely beautiful again. So just keep in mind with the high wind rated shades with the keter system, which is amazing. You can drive a freaking car into it. You're gonna have a little wrinkling right when you drop it down, especially in cold temperatures, but it falls out within like 10 minutes. So just good to know, food for thought. But boy, I'll tell you, this product, the fit and finish and the installation, utilizing our Zen installation with the new KAOS tracks is absolutely amazing. And the fact that you can just absolutely pound the product and it doesn't break is awesome. So this is a win-win-win-win-win-win. Have a great day.